Laboratory Sciences Division has 3 state-of-the-art laboratories, 1 in Canada and 2 in the US. We work very hard together to harmonize all the key elements to deliver together the best quality data to our clients.
We want our clients to feel like it doesn't matter what site they're working with, that they're going to get the same experience. They're going to have the same high quality, on time data and reports that they get from any site. They don't see anything in the background, it just happens for them, and their studies just continue running and operating smoothly.
I've been at other CROs, over 25 years experience in the CRO industry, and we are truly integrated. This creates a benefit to our clients because there's seamless information, there's seamless leveraging of expertise across sites. The laboratories are operated in the same fashion, they're designed in the same fashion, and this provides distinct advantages in communication and leveraging expertise in our scientific operations and regulations.
The more we harmonize, this allows us to accelerate the analysis of samples across the 3 sites.
Imagine our clients working with the same bioanalysis team throughout drug development. That's where the efficiencies are.